We take our flat wires and find the center, and take the half round wire, just do a bend like that, because we just want to hook this up to our square wire here. So center roughly there. Now just sort of offset it a little bit, and we wrap that around just a couple of times. So I've clamped them so it'll be easier for me to wrap them around. So like so. And we'll do that 3 times. So nice and tight. Three. And we'll tuck it in back to the back. What we'll do now is trim that off, but when you trim it off, I'm just going to trim this sort of halfway there. Just pull it out a little bit. And do the same on the opposite side, so just lift it up a little bit. So that way it's nicely tucked in. And just clamp them or crimp them up. So you have that. Lay your stone flat. So we have this faceted stone, and the depth is 5 millimeters. So that's why I'm using 4 of this square wire. And what we do, you lay it flat, so roughly, you know, where just bend it with your finger. You take the 28 gauge wire and take the center of it and put it on the first or the fourth, whatever suits you. So all I'm doing is just putting it across there like that. Wrap this around, and I'm wrapping this around that one. So continue wrapping that until you reach about 10 millimeters. So now we've reached the same on the other side too. So now what we're going to do is join these two together. Just bend that a little bit like that, and bend this one just a little bit to the other side. So, and that sort of joins like that. You see that? So when we put our stone there, hugs it like so. So what we'll do, wrap that one up. See? So I got one side, and I'll take the opposite side and then wrap it up. And then take the other side again, and then just over that, and wrap it up, and wrap it round. And what's happened is you've got a nice, neat wraps around your 2 square wire. Gather them all up, and we just wrap them. And so 5. So open that one up. See, I'm just lifting it up. See how I'm lifting it up? Okay, so what we'll do now is insert our stone. So we just squeeze it in. So I'm just sort of caging it all up. Don't worry about the wonkiness in there, because we can adjust that. Pull this one out. And the other side. Get our nylon pliers and just tuck this in. that. And the other side like so. Okay, so what we'll do now is just break this off, that wire. So we just jiggle it a bit and snap, and we'll twist this one and just twist. So I'm just twisting the wire. See, so turning it, it's forming a nice twist pattern. We'll leave that one because we'll use that for our bail later on. So now what I want to do is take that wire that's sticking at the back there, that one, and I want to wrap it towards that way. Towards the front. And what's happened is you formed a nice tight wrap around it. Those two at the back there will be our bail, plus that one in the front. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in the middle here that we want to twist this. And just twist it. So we got 5 twisted wires. What I'm going to do now is bring those 2 short ones on the side here, and the other ones on the other side, and we'll take those 2 at the back, wrap those 3 together to form the bail. So to start off with, we'll go from this side, and then we wrap it up there, and then over the front of the twisted front wire there, and then we go behind that over to the other side, and we wrap it around again. So you just go in behind, and then over to the other side again, but I want to crisscross these 2. Leaving that one there, and then so every third one I'll go to the front of the wire, but so we'll do 1, 2, and 3 to the back wires, and I'll pick that up over and I'll go in the front again, and just continue that until you reach to the end. So now I'm almost at the end. I only got a little bit of my 28 gauge wire left, and what I'm going to do is just wrap it round my finger, bend it like that. So we'll bring this one to the front. We'll use our long nose pliers. So just bring it to the front like that. Take the 28 gauge and we'll insert it through that hole there. Just coming out on the other side there. And one nice tug, and we'll bend this once like so. That one up because we'll use that for our design later on.